We at the beach with this one. Say hey, Amaya. She's excited. Daddy got us some, well, we got drinks in the cooler. Let's go on the sidewalk. I got all the snacks. It is packed out here. This is our favorite beach now, Micklers. Cold water. Oh, Amaya, I just noticed you should have left that thing in the car. Your tablet. Yeah. It's okay, I'm gonna have to cover it up so the sun won't get it too hot. I know, I'm saying you should have left it in the car. Get over some. There you go. Whew. There's a park up there. Go underwater? I suggest not. Because it's salty. Ooh, it's cold. You cold, baby? I don't even know how she in there. She talking about go underwater. I said, I suggest you don't. Amaya, you want these? Amaya, you want these? Do you want, ooh, these, you want these? You want them? But you ain't going far out, okay? It's too cold for Daddy, but we'll blow them up. Daddy blow one of these up. You know how to blow it up? Daddy said you'll need them. Go ahead, go play. Jesus, it's cold. I don't know how she in there. My feet is by itself. Man, you got your shoes on? Woo. Oh my God!
Jump in the wave. Jump in the wave, baby. Jump in there. Go out a little further.
Go to your knees. I don't see how she doing it. This is cold. Oh my God, it's cold. Cold out here. Hey, baby. You better don't mind, y'all. Where's the child? There she is.
Having fun, baby. That's okay.
You ain't cold? Girl, you crazy. She crazy, y'all. Oh, it'll sail away. You put it down for us. Thanks. That thing sucks.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't need it. There ain't no sense in keep bringing it up. Because that's it happened all the time.
We need the little. It's a ground digger thing that you put in there. That's what them people with them other umbrellas got. That's why they shit ain't blowing away. Yeah, $4.30. What is this? Boy, making a whole dang on line. The crazy thing is, it's hot as hell by our house. But out here, it's so breezy and cool. Like, you don't feel no lick of 85 right now out here. Somebody flying a kite. Right. Not no dang on 85. Oh. You could build a sandcastle with those. Put it in the bucket. See what it do. It might help it stay standing up.
You might find some gold. You might find some treasure.
You find some treasure, it's mine. She's like, what? I buried some treasure here. So if you find it, it's mine. You gotta give it back to me. You supposed to be building a sandcastle. Talking about putting it in the ocean. You gotta fill it up. You can't flip it over if it's not filled up. You gonna put the other sand? That's probably seashells too, baby. Go up some. That's seashells too? Well, you just got to use that. That's what everybody building with. She trying not to get the sea shit. You found some solid sand? That's just how the sand is, baby. Just fill the bucket up so we can flip it over and see. Umbrella stand, they must got an anchor. We ain't got no dang on anchor. The little baby. You see the baby? She's so cute. I don't know what she doing with this water, but we're about to see. Keep going. Fill it up. What you make a soup? I said make a sandcastle. Oh my gosh. Stick your foot in there. What you make a soup? Sand soup? I don't want none of that. The water gonna keep coming up and the sand gonna keep going down. or anything? Wait, did you get your... One of those Powerades is yours. Your popcorn is in that bag. Bring it here. Give me that bag. Is it heavy? I packed it up. Let's see, y'all. We got some Mingles. Show you too. We got some Ruffles. Her popcorn she picked out. She probably don't know what it tastes like. She got her some seaweed. We got some Slim Jims for Daddy. Daddy wants Slim Jim. We got some dip and some Doritos. You want some cheese and Doritos, babe? Alright. Oh, child, we got paper towels. Here. Open that. Alright. You want a Lunchable or something, or you just gonna eat those? Give me a paper towel for her nose. Let me taste one. You had these before? It don't taste like nothing. Tastes like popcorn with no salt. But it's supposed to be pink salt. Where your juice at? I don't like them. I mean, they're not nasty, but they're not the best. Blow your nose. Wipe it good. Wipe it good. Time to go. People still coming. Are you gonna wash our feet off? We can get in here.